Well, hello, human. We meet again. I hope you are well. I am doing my best. So, as someone who is highly self-critical, I have realized that one cannot hate oneself into improvement or betterment. So, I am making a very conscious effort daily to be more self-compassionate, to approach the things that I do for myself with a slightly different mindset.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine, gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric ride. You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, is my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest times. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Maybe this is the season of love.
With food, as much as I hate to admit it, I've had a very terrible relationship with food for a long time. I think it worsened last year when I was knee-deep in grief of my father passing. I would eat at the oddest of hours and the oddest of foods, and then next day I will wake up with so much loathing of the self, because I hate the idea of me binge eating and eating because of my emotions. And then I do a thing subconsciously where I quote unquote punish myself for binge eating. So I would probably decide to not have breakfast, not have lunch, not have dinner, or something like that to punish myself. And I am now actively working very hard to manage my emotions better and to completely remove the idea of punishing myself from my vocabulary, really, because I'm a human being and I don't have to treat myself the way I wouldn't treat someone that I love.
French novel actually. Incroyable. M'appelle Victor. Tu t'appelles BG.
Attends, tu quoi, Sonia?
Mes amis, mon amour. Ferme la bouche. Bien? Français? Ah oui, d'accord. See, I'm learning French. While I'm in France, she's teaching me French. Incroyable. Then they have to call me Mr. Incroyable.
Alors?
I'm love.
I'm loving money.